Once upon a time, in a world filled with endless possibilities and boundless beauty, there lived a person named Alex. Alex was a deep thinker, their mind a whirlwind of thoughts and emotions, constantly seeking meaning and understanding in the world around them. But as Alex's mind danced with questions and ponderings, they found themselves caught in a trap of overthinking, a labyrinth of doubts and uncertainties that clouded their vision and dimmed their inner light. Night after night, Alex tossed and turned, unable to quiet the restless whispers of their mind, each thought leading to another in an endless loop of analysis and worry. One day, Alex confided in their friend Maya, sharing the burden of their overactive mind and the weight it placed upon their spirit. Maya listened with compassion, her words like gentle whispers of wisdom that sparked a flicker of hope within Alex's heart. With Maya's guidance, Alex began to see the world through new eyes, a world filled with beauty, wonder, and infinite possibilities. And as Alex stood there, surrounded by the majesty of nature, they felt a sense of peace wash over them, a profound realization that true happiness lies not in the pursuit of perfection, but in the simple joy of being. And so, dear friends, may we all learn from Alex's journey, a reminder to quiet the noise of overthinking and embrace the beauty of the present moment, one step at a time.